The United Hinyotrap Movement (UHM) had held a peaceful protest at the State Central Library premises on 8 April 2021 to urge upon the state government to take up the issue of registration of areas in the border between Meghalaya and Assam and Meghalaya and Bangladesh. A delegation of the UHM that included the President and General Secretary had met Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Bante Dorlingdo, who represented the state government, to discuss on matters related to border issues. After the meeting, the president of the organization, Charlie Rani, informed that the state government, through Bante Dorlingdo, had assured the UHM of a discussion on the matter in the coming week. Rani also added that the organization had also requested that along with the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister, all MLAs of border area constituencies as well as ministers who had tabled the issue in assembly sessions in the past should also be part of the forthcoming discussion to be held on either the 13th or 14th of April 2021. Further, he stated that a discussion with the autonomous district councils of the state is no longer called for, as border dispute is a state issue that is to be taken up by the state government.
Akajing mamdon jong menteri rangba sembut menteri rangba na kumjuru menteri kampo yeng apo ka sekretariat nakadaw ba kadon ka campaign election ka jengki sepo garwel jula pentip sengi wang ba ngiru ngilad pentip seki ba nginum kerandien ya kani kimat ibangi dawa ba lada ka sarkar kam sengam ngihingin ya be da ka bastinge susu markani kanang dai tang sedang da peaceful demonstration ya ba amre uru lashim khiyamar dor bu ba em ngalada be phone bat sembut menteri rangba wang ba la syamtayo hiru kata hadin bikiwan paina garwel sa sportrek kabubon aka khatlanya khatsau trik unsa khotna ingi bagini kran dikat batki kindon lang nadu menteri rangba sembut menteri rangba menteri kampo yeng yang tadi ki MLA bar khot ki badai jong kabarar bat khamtam ya kitu ki minister ki braju beni ya kani kabarar isu apo ka assembly la kapor support kamdon ke weiru ka sinang kabarar register kabalara ari ya ka freedom registration ka ditang district council jong ka hasil autonomous district council rai ingi kren menta nom ya district council mar kajingi ki sam kamdei ka district council ki EDC ki jongi bat ka jela assam re ki jela jong Meghalaya ba ka jela assam